Hi, welcome to our channel. Are you ready to level up your tech career? Python is a programming language known for its simplicity and versatility. It's shaping the tech world. From powering AI innovations to creating robust web applications, Python is a must-learn skill for anyone looking to thrive in today's digital era. Welcome to the GoLogica Python Developer course, a complete program designed to make you job-ready. In this video, we'll explore what this course offers and how it can elevate your career. Python is not just a programming language, it's your gateway to opportunities in data science, web development, automation, AI, and more. Stick around to learn why this course might be your perfect next step. Python is one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly programming languages out there. Whether you want to develop dynamic websites, automate repetitive tasks, or dive into AI and machine learning, Python has you covered. In fact, it consistently ranks among the top programming languages worldwide, and its demand is growing every year. With Python, the possibilities are truly endless. The GoLogica Python Developer course is structured to guide you from a beginner to an industry-ready professional. The program begins with the fundamentals, covering syntax, variables, and loops, before progressing to advanced topics like object-oriented programming, file handling, and error management. You'll also explore Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation and visualization. Want to build web applications? The Python Developer course from GoLogica is designed to build expertise step by step. It starts with Python basics, including syntax, loops, and functions, progressing to advanced concepts like object-oriented programming and error handling. You'll also explore powerful libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation and frameworks like Flask and Django for web development. The best part is you will work on real-world projects, applying what you will learn in practical scenarios. Plus, the live interactive sessions ensure you never feel stuck. Completing this course opens up a world of opportunities. Python developers are in high demand across sectors like IT, finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. Whether you aim to become a software developer, a data analyst, or an AI engineer, this course sets the foundation for your success. Upon completion, you'll earn an industry-recognized certification from GoLogica, showcasing your expertise to potential employers. Top companies offer competitive salaries for Python developers, reflecting the high demand for their expertise. At Google, salaries range from USD $120,000 to USD $180,000 per year, while Amazon offers USD $110,000 to USD $160,000 annually. Microsoft pays Python developers between USD $100,000 and USD $150,000, and at Facebook, Meta, salaries can go as high as US $200,000 per year, starting at USD $130,000. IBM provides compensation ranging from USD $90,000 to USD $140,000 annually, and Deloitte offers attractive packages of USD $80,000 to USD $120,000 per year, making Python development a lucrative career choice. GoLogica ensures a seamless learning experience with its flexible schedule and extensive support. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or a career changer, the course adapts to your needs. Get 24/7 access to resources, engage with mentors for personalized guidance, and benefit from the GoLogica placement assistance to land your dream job.
One of the trainees gave a review. I recently completed the Python Developer course at GoLogica, and it was a game changer for my career. The course was comprehensive, with practical projects that made learning enjoyable and effective. The instructors were knowledgeable and always supportive. Thanks to the skills I gained, I landed a fantastic job as a Python developer. I highly recommend GoLogica to anyone looking to enhance their programming skills and achieve career success.